guys, welcome to another video of Clash Royale, and in this video I'm gonna be playing as usual some games. And this time, yeah, I remember last time it was on the side so you couldn't really see, but this time I fixed it and I'm pretty sure it'll work. And this time, as you can see, did you like my intro? Yep. Oh, that did not make sense. Okay, so right here I'm gonna try to do friendly battles with my clan, if they'll join or not. Let's see. I won't stay too long in this. Oh yeah, I'll just request a card right now. Giant. Yeah, I just got my giant tail 5. Okay, I guess no one wants to verse me, so I'll just cancel. And let's go into an actual game. There you go. Okay, we'll probably be having 2 games or 1, I'm not sure. Okay, so waiting. Okay, we'll just put our giant down right there. Let's see, what else should we do? Probably just put the expert down right there. So the giant will get distracted. Oh man, is that... My Zap isn't gonna kill it, I think it's not strong enough. So I think it's gonna kill my giant. Oh, I think that giant's gonna, like, destroy that tower. Yeah, pretty sure he is. Yep, as I said. At least the giant died. I'm so bad at this. Come on, giant, come on, giant. Just put him in the board just like that. I only put his rich there so he can't counter it. If he has, yep, and he has areas. Great. So see, he's even laughing. That's how bad I am. Oh man, and he has a hog. I just let him take that tower. I don't really care. I'm obviously gonna lose. I think he's gonna put skeleton army, so I'm just gonna put. Yep. Come on, boy. Get to it. Oh my gosh, should have just put Zap, but I don't have it. Wow, he actually died. Oh, he's gonna put something yet. Nope. That's so annoying. Yeah, I lost. Okay, let's see if I have a... Nope. I gotta put his giant back. Oh, Valkyrie. Let's continue. Oh, I should have put a medium hard. Oh, he just confused me. Okay, if I didn't lose by 1 tower, it wouldn't be that sad. Lucky. Yep. Oh, you could have got that too. I'm gonna put this here in case he puts a giant down or anything. Yep, I lost. Yep. Oh, man. Oh. Hey guys, in the comments, tell me if you want to play Minecraft or anything. Oh, sure? Yeah, I'll just verse him. Test. Oh, this guy's in Arena 7. He's gonna kick my ass. Why is he crying? He's just trying to say that, like, because I'm low, he's level 9. No, I have to play smart here. Okay, if I beat his level 9, I can even beat... Oh, he's in for a tower. I don't think I'm going to beat him. I'll try to put an expert just to hurt him. You know what I mean. Kill that bola. I think he's going to get like a big push right now. I don't know why. Oh, the Zap did. Oh, the Zap actually did. I don't know why it's up there, just felt like it. Then, luckily I have another one. Thumbs up. What the hell, he has lightning? Header! Never knew. Skeletons. No, there's no point, right? Wait, I bet that mini thing is gonna wreck my Tower of Watch. Like 2 shots. That only did like 600. I'll just even kill it. Wow, this guy's smart. He put a smile face just for me not to feel bad. I know I'm bad. Yep. Probably gonna put something down. Skeletons. Actually, that was a waste of skeletons. That was a waste of that. Come on, giant. Bubble. That was Clash of Clans. I'll upload that later today, but coming to our moons. Zap that. Nope. Distraction. If the town like, I mean, not town, I think it has points. The level 9 only got me 1, so that's actually pretty good. I shouldn't be laughing because I lost. Okay, I think that's it for today. Guys, if you like, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Peace.